Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about organizational structures in SAP MM. So first of all, let's first go to the Word document. Uh, So organizational structure in SAP MM. So the first one is the client. So I'll be showing this client and all those options in SAP as well. So before that, I'll just go through these structures, and next we'll be going to the SAP system. So after the client, it's company. Then comes the company code. Plant, storage location, and then comes the purchasing group, purchasing organization. Okay, purchasing organization. So let me first explain you about client. So if you go to the SAP system, okay, so there is something called system landscape. So first thing is, let's clearly understand what is client. Okay, so let's log off the screen first. Yeah, and if you just go to the SAP screen and click on log on, there is something called client here, 800, and we have the username and password to to log in. Yeah, so the client which is been opened is 800, client 800. So uh, SCC4, if you just go to this particular T code, so I'll just type the T code over here. T code SCC4. So here we'll be able to see all the system landscape, like for example in our particular maybe in organization there will be a development client, then there will be a testing client. Yeah, after doing this testings, then later on it goes to the production. So that's how the client works. Okay, so as per this client is nothing, the landscape or the particular system or something, the system name or something. It can be a 3-digit number. So that is called client in SAP. Okay, and okay, yeah, next comes the company. Company is nothing. For example, let me just give you a day-to-day life. A company, for example, Tata Groups. So Tata Groups, it's like an independent, what to say, a company, yeah, where all the financial statements takes place. Yeah, so under this Tata group there are different companies. For example, Tata Steel, no, then Tata Motors, then maybe Tata Electricals, electricals, yeah, Tata Electricals, and these all are the company codes. Yeah, and next comes the plant. For example, we have a different company codes. Okay, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Electricals. Yeah, and these, for example, let's take for instance Tata Steel. Tata Steel is having a plant, no, in Mumbai. One is in Bangalore. One is in Pune. One is in, no, some other Gujarat, or different places. They have a different plants. Plant is nothing. It's a physical warehouse or physical place where all the inventory happens. Inventory happens in the sense like where the transfer of goods takes place. For example, we have Tata Steel. We have a branch in Mumbai. Then we have in Bangalore. Yeah, and we have in Chennai. Yeah, so all the goods transactions happens in plants. Okay, so all this Tata Steel, not only Tata Steel, Tata Motors, and all these subdivisions of, for example, all these company codes will be having a different set of plants located in different geographical locations. Okay, so that is an example for plant. And no and we have storage location. Storage location is nothing. It is a physical place within the plant where all the goods is being stored. For example, let's no, for example, let me take for example, this is a plant. Okay, this is a plant, for example. Okay, this is a plan, and we have a different rooms, or different sections, or different places. So we have a storage location here. Here there is a place. Here there is a place. So within the warehouse there is a different storage locations. Okay, for raw materials, for all the production materials and everything, we have a separate. So it is, storage location is nothing. It's a set of place, or a no recommended place where the goods is being stored within the plant. And purchasing group. So purchasing group is nothing but okay. Okay. purchasing group is set of people. Okay, purchasing group is, for example, there are different set of people or resources which are involved in purchasing activities in an organization. Okay, those people are said to be purchasing group. Okay, so the set of resource who does the purchasing activity. So what happens is, when you create a purchasing group, I'll show this all these definitions in system. Okay, so purchasing group is where we give the email address and the telephone and numbers and everything. For example, we are creating a PO and we have some, no, there is some for example, there is some no price discrepancies, or there is some issue with the PO or something. We need a set of people or set of no purchasing person to contact. So these are the people who are responsible for the PO creations or the purchasing activity that is being done in a warehouse. Okay, and next comes purchasing organization. So purchasing organization is like we have a different purchasing is being done for different for example, let me give an example now. There are something called regular purchasing. Regular purchasing activity. Then we have standard purchasing. And we have a reference. So all these purchasing, standard purchasing is nothing but there is something called special kinds of procurement, that is called subcontracting and pipeline. All these comes under special procurement. So all these purchasing activities and things have been happened under this purchasing organizations. Okay, so that's all about the organization structures, and let me take you to the system and show you these definitions in system. And if we have time, let's I'll just show you all these things. I'll just create a company and company code and things if there is enough time. First let me go to the SPRO settings. Click on SAP reference IMG. So enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, click on company. So we can create a company. For example, let's create what to say, ABC Groups, London Road, basics. City we can put as country we can enter as, so we have different countries here. We can just put as Great Britain. Yeah, and currency maybe GBP. Yeah. So we have created a company ABC. Okay. Yeah, I'm just showing this. ABC we have created. I mean, not created it, but I'll just click on save. So we have created a company ABC. Okay, ABC groups. So what we're gonna do is we are going to create a company code. So we have already an existing company codes here. We can take any of the company code. For example, let's go down. TR00. Okay, let me take this. Or yeah, TR00. TR00. Let's copy. Okay, from. So it's loading. So the one which we saw is TR00, right? TR00 to company code. So before that, let me just create a company code. Yeah. So we can create a company code like, so we can put it as ZAB ZABC. Company name can be Tata Steel. City can be Bangalore. Currency can be INR. And sorry, country can be IN. Currency can be INR. So EN. Yeah. Click on save. As the Dragon Ramo Street, Dragon IN, region, can be anything I think. Yeah, just click on that. ZABC. So if you want to copy also, we can just click here. We can copy a data from one company code to another company code though. So this can be done from this copy option. Okay, so that's the main TR00, and we can just put it as ZABC or something already exist. Okay, so we don't have to do this. So we have another company code TR00. So let's create another Z D E F. Okay, A B C is finished. D E F. Okay, code, yes. So we can do like this. Okay, we can just create a company code by just taking the reference of another company code and create a new company code. Okay, so the one which we created now is Z D E F, right? So completed, yeah, Z D E F. So Z D E F. So if you just go and just search here ZDEF, it will be available. Yeah. So in case if you want to change the company name or ZDEF, if you want to change the name here, like for example, Tata Motors, yeah, this can be done. So we have created a company and a company code, yeah. And what we're gonna do next is we have something called logistic general, yeah. Logistic general, under logistic general we have plant. So we can just define a plant, or we can just copy a plant, or no, we have all these options. So we can just go to the existing plant, anything which we have to take, no? So this is the plan which is already there. So let's put 1000. From 1000 we are going to create a new plant. So from 1000 we are going to create a new one, that is with 4111 plant, and we are creating, yeah, all the details from plant 1000 is being copied, or else we can create manually by just clicking on new entries, and we can just enter everything manually. But this is an easy way to copy from one plan to another one. Okay. So you can see it's copied. Yeah. So if you want to see your plant, you can go here and just click on 1000. So this plant is in Chennai. Chennai plant. So we will enter this particular plant under, you can just for my reference, okay, I'm just entering this plant under ZABZ. ZABZ. So I'll be entering this particular plant under this, okay, just click on save. And if you want to create a new one again, one more one, yeah, that is 2000. We'll put as 2000. From 2000 we are going to put as okay, we are going to create one more plant. This by this is for ZABC, right? ZABC. We have created another one more plant. Yeah. So it's for 333, right? Chennai, Mumbai is done. Then now Pune. So we'll enter this particular plant under ZF ZDEF. DEF. Okay. So we have created another this one. So this one comes under this company code. Yeah. Created 3 plants now. Let it be like this. Okay. So we have created plants. Now just click on material management. Now here you can see storage location. So just click on storage location and you can see the plan which has been reflecting. So all the storage locations are maintained within the plant. So we have plan that is 111, I mean 41, right? 4111, and we have different set of storage locations. So we have copied and all the storage locations has already been maintained. Okay, so in case if you want to maintain, we can just click here and we can just create as well. So this is already been created, I mean already been copied, so all these storage locations have already been available. Okay, and if you are just going to this 4 tools now, we have just, so these are the storage locations which are, so all these are already been maintained because this is already been copied. Okay, so here comes, I mean, purchasing organization. So we have different set of purchasing organizations. Okay, we don't have to create anything here. So we have defined everything. Okay, after defining all these things, what is the next thing we have to do? We have to assign, right? So just click on assign. So assign company code to company. So change. So what is our company code? Z A B C. Z A B C. Yeah. So what is our company? What was that? ABC, right? ABC. So this ABC and ABC. Company code was 25. This is just an hard stop. Just click on save. So we had 2 company codes and these 2 company codes is been assigned to company. Yeah. Now assign company code to, these are not coming from FI. Okay. Then if you go to logistic general, you can see assign plan to company code. Just click here. So what is our plant? So we have to assign it, right? Company code. So what is our company code? ZABZ, and our plant which I am planning to assign is this one. Yeah. Then we have ZABZ. DEF, ZDEF. So these are the other plant. Then just click on save. So we are assign plant to company code. So we can assign, no, I said you already, like we have standard purchasing, we have reference purchase. So we can just assign, in case if you want to assign the purchasing organization to a company code, we can just click here, and we have not created any purchasing organization. In case if you want to create a purchasing organization, that is fair and enough, you can just go here. Yeah, I can just go to maintain purchasing organization, just click here, and you can just maintain the purchasing organization. For example, XYZ. Purchase. So if you I already created top, and if you're just going here, and if you want to just XYZ, yeah, the one which I created, right? So if you want to assign this particular purchasing organization to a company code, you can do it. So our company code is ZABZ, right? So we can do that. So that's how it is. So that's the overall defining and assigning, assigning the overall organizational structure of SAP MM. And like all these company and all these company codes, all these are done by FI consultant. So actually from SAP MM perspective, all the assigning and creation comes from plant. From plant, all the other structures or purchasing organization, all these have been done from MM consultant. So all the sales distribution, all these sales part will be done from SD consultant. So MM is totally integrated, very close to FI and SD consultant. So that's all about the organization structure of SAP MM, and thanks for watching, and please support my channel, subscribe my channel for more videos on SAP MM. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.